Okay, in this clip, we will have a look on the graph of y directly varies x with the direct variation between y and x. Okay, what will the graph look like? So, let's start all over again. Because y directly varies x, therefore we all know that this y will equal to some kx, where this k does not equal to 0. Okay, now, does this thing remind you about some other topics? Okay, I think you can recall that actually in equation of straight line, okay, we have learned this before. Y equals to mx plus c, while this m refers to the slope of the straight line, and c here refers to the y-intercept of the straight line. Okay, but okay, so if you remember this one, let's go back to y equals to kx. Let's go back to y equal to kx. In y equals to kx, we can see, of course, this k means the slope. The slope of the graph will directly equals to this variation constant, k. But actually, and the other thing we should notice that is, in this expression, we don't have constant term. We don't have constant terms. That means the y-intercepts of this graph should be 0. Okay? And surprisingly, when the y-intercept is 0, actually this means that this straight line, this equation of straight line, passes through the origin. Okay, so then we know that this graph will look like something like this. Oh, something like this. Okay, pass through the origin and with slope equals to k. Okay, of course, this slope k may be a positive number or a negative number. If the slope of k, if the slope k here is positive, then the graph looks like this one. If the value of k is negative, then the graph should look like this. Also, two things you need to pay attention to. First one, pass through origin. The second one, it is decreasing because the slope equals to k here is negative. Okay, so two graphs you have to bear in mind. When the slope is positive, then it should be increasing towards right hand side. If the slope k is negative, then it should be decreasing towards right hand side from left to right, decreasing from left to right, and both graph passes through the origin because there's no y-intercept in the formula. Okay, so this is the graph of y directly varies x. Okay, sometimes you may see MC questions asking you which one refers to a direct variation between y and x. Then you don't have to hesitate, just pick the one which passes through the origin, have no y-intercept, and with the correct inclination slope. Okay? That's all for this clip.